Borchani Bonazzi soap is a neutral vegetable soap suitable for cleaning artists' paintbrushes. It helps removing perfectly but very softly all residual traces of color, maintaining at the same time for very soft fibers. Thanks to its emollients and moisturizing ingredients, it can also be used to revive brushes with partly damaged or very stiff fibers, and it does not alter the brush shape. With this practical aluminum box, the Borchani Bonazzi soaps can be used completely without being wasted or spilled. Its formula contains precious and pleasantly fragrant essential oils. This special soap can be used for both natural and synthetic hairs and can be utilized with either cold or lukewarm water. To clean the artist's paintbrushes with the utmost care, it is advisable to proceed as follows. Soften the brush tip with plenty of lukewarm water. Use the brush on the soap in its aluminum box, under running water with a circular movement. After that, rinse the brush by moving the hair from the root to the top until any residue of paint and soap has been removed. Put the fibers back into shape with your fingers. Let the brush dry naturally, far from any source of heat.